In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a tour using Tripadvisor. If you're planning a trip and want to explore the best activities at your destination, this guide will show you how to secure your spot with ease. Let's get started. First, head over to tripadvisor.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options in the top menu, and the one we're interested in is Things to Do. Clicking on this will open up a whole world of possibilities, ranging from popular attractions to hidden local gems. So, go ahead and click Things to Do at the top. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to narrow down your options. In the search bar, type in your destination or the specific tour you have in mind. This will bring up a list tailored to your search. Don't worry if you're not sure about a specific activity just yet. You can browse through Tripadvisor's extensive collection of tours and activities to get inspired. Once you find a tour that piques your interest, click on it to learn more. This will take you to a page with all the details you need, including reviews from fellow travelers, photos, and a concise description of what to expect. It's always a good idea to read through the reviews to ensure the tour meets your expectations and preferences. Next, look for the Check Availability button. This is usually located near the price or beneath the tour description. Click on this button to proceed to the booking section of the tour. Here, you'll be able to see all the available dates and times for the tour. When you're ready, choose a date from the calendar that fits into your travel itinerary. It's important to check your schedule and ensure this activity aligns with your other plans before selecting a date. Once you've decided, click on the date. If the tour offers different time slots, you can then choose a time that works best for you. This is particularly handy for tours that run multiple times a day. Picking the right time can make a big difference in your experience, especially in places where weather or lighting can change rapidly. After selecting your preferred time, it's time to indicate how many people will be joining this adventure. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with a group, be sure to select the correct number of participants. You'll usually have the option to categorize them as adults, children, or even infants. Finally, with all your preferences set, click Reserve Now. This will lock in your desired tour so you can look forward to a fantastic experience. You'll generally receive a confirmation email with all your booking details, perfect for keeping track of your itinerary. And there you have it. A straightforward way to book incredible tours on Tripadvisor. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to experiencing what your destination has to offer. Safe travels.